The main purpose of the mobile library service is to bring library materials and programming out into the community. Well, people usually think of us as being the bookmobile, and the mobile library service is a lot more. And the bookmobile was something that carried books and materials, but the mobile library service is really looking to replicate what's in the system-wide libraries, the brick and mortar, and take that out into the community. So yes, we have the materials that you're used to seeing, but we're also bringing programs, things like book discussions, ebook workshops, 3D printer demonstrations, reminiscence programs. We do story times. Here comes the dog rescue! Hooray! Suddenly help zoomed in and then vanished. Story times are a special part of what we offer. Children of all ages, we focus on preschool aged, and our focus is bringing them early literacy experiences that are enriching and fun. We read books, we sing, we dance. It's amazing. There's something about doing story time for children that you might not think that you're the kind of person who could do it, and something about being in front of those children. They are so excited to see you. They are so excited about the books. And it is the most fun part of my day to get to sing with them and dance with them and share stories with them. I definitely think that I get more out of it than they do. Just the excitement and knowing that they look forward to it and that we're giving them a foundation of literacy that's going to last them their whole life. It's hard to miss the big red van, and it has really nice graphic design on the side. You can fit a surprising number of books in here. The van can hold about 4,000 titles at one time. We do serve a large population, and they're voracious readers. So it was important to us to be able to continue having a large quantity of items to offer them, to be able to browse and keep them reading. We've built a lot of really great relationships with our patrons. We have known some people for over 20 years that we have been coming to communities. A lot of these people are longtime residents. They gave up their cars a long time ago, and we are a social connection for them. We bring them news. We bring them, just a sense of a tie to the community. It's really a very special service, and it's one that I'm really proud of to be able to work here.
The fact that we have a library service to come here and serve the needs of the people is very valuable. Oftentimes this is their only access to a library. People start lining up with their blue bookmobile bags at about 1:30, just waiting in the clubhouse, having a cup of coffee, discussing what they've read and what they're going to get this next time. So it's turned into a social aspect as well for my friends here.
Our visits usually entail we'll pull up to a community and we have a ramp. We'll lower the ramp. We roll off about 5 to 6 carts of materials. They can be large print books, standard print books, fiction, nonfiction, magazines, audio books, DVDs, anything that we feel the residents might be interested in. They have the carts that they're able to browse freely, so we set them up in a way that they can circulate around and browse, and it doesn't matter what their mobility level is. We're usually at our stops for about an hour, and at the end of that time we put everything back on the van and then we're on to the next stop.